far this year, we've been blown away. Like, it's been so amazing to see all the people coming out and supporting these businesses. And people come, we run on Saturdays and Sundays, and so many people come both days just to try all these different trucks. And yeah, it's been great this year.
Really, thank you for all the people that have actually come out and supported local, supported the Food Truck Festival, supported the fairs and festivals when they do have some drive-through stuff. You know, I think it means a lot to the community.